Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you all who don't know, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. We are getting ready to make crispy Southern chicken fried beef liver, smothered in rich dark brown gravy and onions. Let's get busy. We are getting ready to chicken fry our beef liver. This is the beef liver. It's washed and cleaned. I'm going to put it in some buttermilk for a couple of hours. So we're going to be putting in garlic powder, some paprika, some onion powder. I'm using white pepper and some salt. So I've already put a little garlic powder in here. I'm going to put a little bit more. Little paprika, and I'm going to be putting these same seasonings in my actual flour as well. White pepper, take that off. Salt. Okay. Go ahead and stir this up, get this mixed in really well. You want to season in layers, guys. Season in layers. So always season. If you're marinating, season your marinade as well. Okay, so we're just going to lay these in here, and we will be back to get them all fried up. Okay, guys, our liver has marinated, and we are going to season up our flour. I am going to add to this flour cornstarch, baking powder, and the same seasonings we put in before. Paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. It's on the side here. I'm using white pepper. Feel free to use black pepper. I prefer white pepper in a lot of things because I don't like to see the specks of black sometimes. Sometimes I do. Just depends on what I'm cooking. The flavor is the same. This is ground as opposed to black peppercorns. And some Himalayan salt. Always add a little bit of salt to everything, guys. It brings out the flavor, especially when you're frying. I know sometimes we don't like all that salt, but you need a pinch here and a pinch there. Okay, so we're just going to get this mixed up. So we hear that sizzle in the skillet. That means it's nice and hot. I'm going to use 2 hands here, a wet hand and a dry hand. And we're just going to take our liver, let the excess run off, and dredge it through our flour, guys. We're just going to dredge it through. Put a little over it, make sure it's all covered. Make sure it's covered in that flour, guys. And you can use a bag and shake it. I do that sometimes, but I'm just going to dredge it in the flour. Again, shake off the extra. Just lay it in there, guys. Lay it in there. See it bubbling? Yes. Don't overcrowd your skillet. Don't overcrowd your skillet. So these should be about ready to turn over. Yes, look at that, golden brown, guys, golden brown. All right. Oh yes, just what we want, nice and crispy. Yes. All right, guys. I'm going to finish these up, and while they are cooking, I'm also cooking some rice so that I can put them over rice. That's the way I will be plating it. So please, if you want to know how to cook rice, check that link right above, step-by-step instructions. Okay, let's get back to it. They should be done. Okay, so I'm going to get these out of here, do the second batch, and then we will be able to do our gravy. Oh, wow. Delicious. Look at that, guys. Nice and crispy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at that, guys. Yes. Oh, my goodness. Delicious. Okay, let me get the rest of these out of here. Guys, as soon as the second batch comes out, we're going to make our brown gravy and onions so we can get this liver smothered. In the meantime, guys, go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments. You know, guys, it's my goal to teach 10 million people how to cook easy, simple meals. I can't do that without you. So leave me some comments, talk to me, and share this out, guys. I need your help. Share me out, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I think these are ready to come out. So let's get them out so we can get our gravy on. All right, let's get these out as well. Ooh, look at how crispy that is. Isn't that looking good? Delicious. Okay, blast it out, and let's get ready to do our gravy. So I drained some of my oil out of the skillet, but I want the bits that you see in here from the liver. That's going to flavor it. We're going to add some flour into this oil and just stir it until it turns nice and golden brown. Then we're going to add our liquid in. I want quite a bit of gravy, so I'm adding quite a bit of flour. Just keep stirring. You have to just keep stirring and keep stirring, guys. You get scraping up all those bits off the skillet. That gives you your flavor in your gravy. Add a little bit more flour in here. I need lots of gravy. And I'm going to add in a little salt and a little pepper. Little paprika, adding in just a tad bit more color. Going in with my garlic and onion powder. And yes, we're going to have onions in here, but for me, I can never have enough onion flavor. So we've got that nice brown, rich color. It's time to add our liquid. And now, guys, you have to keep stirring. You have to keep stirring. Make sure you have a long-handled whisk or spoon because the steam will come up on you. We are putting in beef broth. And guys, we're just going to simmer this now until it becomes the consistency and the thickness that we want it. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm putting in the onions. putting in the onions. Yes. Delicious. Okay, we're going to let this simmer until the onions become translucent and tender. And we're also getting ready to put our liver back into the gravy, guys. Yes, awesome. Just want to get in there and put that liver in there really good. And then we're going to cover it up with the gravy. We're going to put gravy on top so it can get good and smothered. Yes. Okay, guys, this other piece in here, we can get all of it in here now that we are not frying. We can get it all in here. And we'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, so we're going to just go ahead and make sure every little piece is covered with gravy so it can be nice and smothered, guys. Yes. Delicious. Get it in there, and we'll just let it simmer, and we'll be back. Yes. We are all done, and I'm just going to plate just a little bit of this up here right now. Just a small piece of the liver here so we can do our famous taste test. Yes, 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 delicious. All right, guys, doesn't that look good? We're going to give this a test taste here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Again, leave me some comments, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Share me out. Share the video out and tell everyone you know that Chef and More is over there cooking up easy meals, guys. Easy meals. So we just want to get all of this in one bite. One bite, guys. One bite. So we've got the rice, we've got the liver, and we've got the onion all in one bite. Cooked to perfection. Cooked to perfection, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And I'll see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.